What's up folks, my name is Felix, welcome back to this new video, and today, as you can see in the background, we are going to talk about Wolf Capital because we have some interesting statistics. There is a Dune dashboard right now, and as you should already know, if you followed my channel for some time, I love to take a look at these Dune dashboards to figure out the numbers, how healthy a project is. Before we jump over to the Dune dashboard, we want to take a look at the current teams and my stakes. And as we can see, we have around 43 teams right now, and all the big five right here, or let's say the big four, are growing very rapidly still. There are not that much deposits right now, but more and more people with smaller wallets get in. And if we jump over to the staking tab, we can see I'm still at one stake. My staked amount is 630 USDC as it was in the beginning. I still stick to my strategy. I want to get my ROI first. Then I will do a 75-25 or a 50-50. Completely depends on the health of the project. Now we want to jump over to the Dune dashboard. There we can see that the total amount of deposits is now at around 450,000 USDC, which is a net balance. So if we deduct the fees, around 380k in USDC. The people who invested in Wolf Capital yet since the launch, since these 19 days, already withdrew 75,000, around 75,000, which is an ROI of 16%, and we have 650 wallets. This will be very important if we do my next update, because I'm always comparing this data to my past videos. So if we scroll down, we can see that the daily deposits, as I already mentioned, are slightly decreasing now, but they are still higher than the withdrawals. And we can see that not that many wallets are getting into the project right now. But if we scroll down, we still are daily net positive. So there are more deposits than claims right now. And at that point, I want to show you the trading results from the 25th of February until the 2nd of March. There they made a profit of around 10k, which means 4% in this week. Of course, again, this is not enough to keep this project sustainable. And that's why the whole community stresses, at least once you reach your ROI, you should do a 50-50 or a 75-25. So putting in at least half of your claimed amount back into the project to keep it sustainable, to give all these later investors also the chance to get to their ROI and make some profits in the project. But of course, this can only be achieved if we give the trading bot enough time to generate these profits. And as we can see, we had 7% in the week before, now we had 4% in the week. And if we all play this responsibly, this project could be a huge winner. I was also very skeptical in the beginning because not that much deposits came in. Yeah, we had a big first and second day, but at this point there were of course no bot profits. We saw these trades in this special Telegram group for the bot trades, but we had no proof that these bots will really perform that well. Now we have 2 weeks of proof. Of course, it needs some more weeks to have an average amount which the bots can generate. And from there, we should adapt all the strategy to keep it sustainable again. The last statistic which I wanted to show you on the Dune dashboard right here is the top wallets, because this is very important to see what are the big wallets doing. And we have some bigger wallets with over 10k, so the top 5 wallets deposited more than 10k USDC. And if we take a look at the first wallet, this one did 14 deposits. So this wallet has 14 stakes in the project and already ROI 10%. The highest one right here is the wallet number 6, which has already 30%. This is way higher than average, and that's why it's very important to pay attention to the top wallets. What are they doing? Are they also playing responsible? Because those guys are of course the most relevant to pay attention to. If those are not playing responsible, the whole project will likely have a problem. But as we can see, there's only one big whale with around 40k deposited in USDC, and then there are 2 with 19 and 15k, and the other ones are way smaller. And that's very nice to see that there is not one big whale, or let's say 3 big whales, which could crash the whole project if they withdrew the initial on, for example, day 62 or something. So I will take a look at these statistics in a few days from now, because there is the next withdrawing cycle. As you can see, my next claim is in around 2 to 3 days. And once this claim happened, I will probably bring an update maybe some days later. You can take a look at the Dune dashboard by yourself. I will, of course, pin it down into the description box that you can do your own calculations on it. If you don't want to miss any future update videos on my channel, you might want to subscribe and click that notification bell. If you like today's video, it would be great if you can hit the like button. That's it. Thanks for watching. Let's get this crypto.